Hello, Falava, everyone. Today is the 13th of February. So in 2 days, I am gonna put out my Valentine's Day video, and that's when you'll be watching me right now. And I'm going to get a few things for my wife. Hopefully, she had broken a white gold chain that she held some sentimental pendants on a few months ago. So I'm gonna try to find her that. And of course, get her some knickknacks. Right now, I'm riding in her car, not my truck, because I'm gonna go wash her car. She never wants to wash her car. She always wants me to do it, so I'm gonna do that for Valentine's Day. Fill up her tank. She don't really go anywhere, but she does pick the kids up from school with her car. So let me go do that. The other thing I'm going to do is put out the video. So the video you're gonna watch after this message, and before my wife gets her gifts, that'll be at the end of the video. But what you're gonna watch is I went through and I dug all over the house and in the attic looking for old pictures of us. So I was able to take a bunch of pictures of us to put like a little slideshow. I'm also gonna do my wife's favorite song in English and in Samoan. That was her favorite song when I first met her years and years ago. I'm scared to tell you what year we met, but so I'm sorry some of the photos seem kind of fuzzy because they're really old, and some of them might have been sun damaged because we may have had them on like the refrigerator magnets for a few years or something. But enjoy it. You're gonna see our first kiss, the birth of our first two girls, and of course our third baby. Picture is in there at the end too, so try to watch the whole video. It's not very long. I appreciate you coming around. Enjoy the montage, and we'll be right back, and you'll get to see my wife open her presents for Valentine's Day. All right. Oh, before we start the tribute to my beautiful wife, I'm gonna show you a little bit of me getting her car washed. All right. This song's for you, my darling wife. Answer me, oh my love, just what sin have I been guilty of? Tell me how I came to lose your love. Please answer me, my love. You were mine yesterday. I believe that love was here to stay. Won't you tell me where I've gone astray? Please answer me, my love. If you're happier without me, I'll try not to care. But if you still think about me, please listen to my prayer. We both know that I've been true. Won't you say that we can start anew? In my sorrow now I turn to you. Please answer me, my love. Please answer me, my love. Talimaya o oila o au. Se fa'amalu ai lo'o mafafau. Fa'amalu ai fo'ilo tui nanau. Malo utau anau. Safai o e ma'au. Ho anana fi fo'i male aso. Nai o inga whaamawalalo. Ele whaangalo. Awhae tele fia fia. Alofa matau mawhai. Awhae fo I ele ai. Hele ea se e tali mai. Ua a vea pea o e loanganga. O oi funga whai mauanga sala. Peo se a venga ua mamafa I lo une o langa. Peo se a venga ua mamafa I lo une o langa. I lo une o langa. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video and the slideshow. It was a lot of fun reliving all those old memories. So before I give my wife her Valentine's gifts, I'll show you what I got for my kids. It's kind of ever since I had, our older daughter was an only child for a long time, for 12 years. So I used to buy her Valentines, and so it's kind of a habit to buy my kids Valentines too. So of course got some chocolate and a gift card, and then Maka belongs to my 14-year-old, so I'm gonna allow her to give that to Maka for Valentine's. And here's my 11-year-old. So Silhouette likes these kind of things, and so she has Princess the kitty, so she can give Princess that, and she got her gift card. Okay, let's go surprise my wife. She just got done giving Maka a bath. Let's go see. Let's go surprise her. All right, my wife is scrubbing Maka because she just got her bathie. So, honey, I wanted to give you some Valentine's Day gifts. So the first gift, I fill up your car with gas, like you asked, and I washed it and cleaned out all your trash.
The girls is trash.
Oh yeah, sorry. And then here's your first gift for Valentine's. It's a new doormat. You can look at that later. I didn't show that on camera, but sure like it. And then close your eyes. Here's the first one. Some white chocolate, Kit Kats, and chocolate. My wife likes white chocolate. And here's some Reese's Thins white chocolates. Then let's see what I have.
Look at my goodies.
And then here,
My.
a little gift bag. You can open it. You can take out what's in there. There should be a card. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah, she got an Xbox game card so she could buy more stuff on her game. And last but not least, she had lost her white gold necklace, and so it was kind of thin, and so we replaced it with a super thick one.
Whoa, thank you, sweetie pie.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I love you.
Thank you, honey.
I love you, I said. Did she not hear that part?
I love you, sweetie.
Oh, okay. And do you have a Valentine's Day gift for me? Aww. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Faftai Lava for watching. And we will see you next time. Tofa Sefua.
Bye.
Fa.
Bye-bye.